It's exciting how Mohanlal sir is raising the bar of both Malayalam and Indian cinema with his work. Recently, in an announcement, it is said that Mohanlal sir is going to debut as a director by directing himself in a fantasy movie which is going to be made in 3D. And the name of the movie is Barrows. Barrows is a movie based on the novel by the same name. The movie is said to be made on a humongous budget. Barrow's character, which will be played by Mohanlal, is protecting D Gama's treasure for 400 years and has been entrusted to hand over the treasure to a true descendant of D Gama. One day, a kid comes in search of Barrows, claiming to be a descendant of D Gama, is the premise of the movie. The premise itself is very interesting, and it will be more interesting how the movie will be made and what will be the final product. There is scarcity of movies like these in Indian cinema. Very less creators takes these types of risk, and it looks like the world that will be created for this movie is going to be very huge, as with the posters it can be seen that something big is happening. A lot of Hollywood actors will be casted for this epic tale. It is exciting that Mohanlal sir will himself direct the movie and the grand vision. Being one of the megastars of Indian cinema, he has created a place in the heart of audience as this legendary actor. From point to point, he has proven himself with different kinds of movies. At this age also, when other actors start to do less risky roles, yet again he is trying to do something unique and exciting. Hope this movie gets enough eyes on itself so that whole India can enjoy this epic in making. Although it is a very risky project and a risky step that the creators are taking by doing such a topic. If well executed, it can create a revolution in India, and it's good to see that someone is taking the step to move forward and make a change in the industry. Marakkar is about to release, and it is also said to be an epic tale and is about to hit the screen but getting again and again delayed due to pandemic. The next movie which can change how other people look up to Indian cinema is Prabhas Nagashwin movie. Since the day the project has been announced, I had this curiosity that how are they gonna pull this huge task. The movie is said to be based on the futuristic world, the vision is grand, the budget is huge and the cast is humongous. In most recent interview, Nag Ashwin said that everything that is going to happen in this movie is never seen before in India. And not only that, the subject of the movie is such that it can be released all over the world. Till now, there is no such proper movies has been made in India that can be seen by the whole world. The project is ambitious and is risky at the same time. One thing is sure that if the story of the movie is executed well, then it is going to be a hit, for sure. After watching Mahanati, it became clear to me that Nag Ashwin is a very talented director. He pulled off the historical movie with utmost preciseness and ease. It was just perfect. Every character has its own meaning. What fascinates me the most is the grand vision of the director. The VFX that are being used in Indian movies are not that much good. One reason can be the budget of the movie, but if you are investing 500 crores in a movie, then it is evident that the audience would expect a good quality product. The movie becomes more interesting because of its cast. Prabhas, Deepika and Amitabh sir are going to play the main lead. This movie will have an exponential reach because of Prabhas and other very big actors. The project is definitely risky because it is dealing with a subject that is so not well made in India. There are only countable sci-fi movies which were successful among them. On top of it, there is Robo. So it is going to be a humongous task for the team to pull it off, but if they successfully able to do it, then it can revolutionize the whole nation and can give a new space which can be explored by the new creators. So that was the video guys. If you like the video, then you can subscribe to my channel. Until then, yours truly, my opinion.